He can go through anything that his beak will fit through. And you watch, he's gonna go right through there. Watch him. Watch him when he hits the water. He'll turn bone white. He's so angry right now. No, yeah, he's going, man. He's going for it. I mean, if he wants to go, he's gonna feel the water, and then he's gonna go towards the water. See, there he goes.
He's got it.
It's gonna be cool. You see that slot?
No way, he can't get to
You are wrong, my friend.
You're kidding me.
No.
It's like trying to get my wife in her wedding dress. That ain't gonna happen.
Oh man. Look at him. He's going for it.
No way.
I'm telling you right now. And watch, he'll change color too. They
He's kind of turning white on the one side.
when he'll relax.
Oh, you can come around to there. Look at that. No, sorry. It's creepy. It's creepy.
I should borrow one of your legs, buddy, but I'm not gonna. My dad is never gonna forgive me. He is not. He is just working his way through. I'm dead serious.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. It's popping. Look at that. He's popping through.
Yeah.
Wait, do you want to see it, Allie? Allie. Oh, never mind. He is kind of squeezing. Oh my gosh. Look at that.
He's going. He's going. There's his nose. He's just all the way through it now.
Except for, oh, just
Just his nose, yeah.
back off.